Good morning children. Today topic is about animal kingdom. Animal kingdom was classified by Sweden scientist Carolus Linnaeus. He gave us a taxonomy. Taxonomy is a study of classification which makes the study of wide variety of organism easier. Then next for it classification, ordering of organism into groups according on the basis of similarities, dissimilarities and relationship. He gave that 5 kingdom classification. They are Monera, Protestia, Fungi, Plantidae and Animalia. Next for hierarchy of classification. In hierarchy of classification, kingdom is the highest division and species is the lowest division. Next for classification of kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia is consist of in a level of organization, cellular level. Cellular level you are going to see for the porifera. Porifera, example for porifera is sponges. The sponges having a pore-bearing organism. They live in an aquatic organism. In a body part, it consisting of spicules. With the help of the ostia only, it carries the food and then oxygen throughout the body. Next one, germ layers. The germ layers is formed in the development of an embryo. There are the 2 types of germ layers, diploplastic and triploplastic. Diploplastic and triploplastic. Next for symmetry. The symmetry is formed at the plane of the body parts which is divided into a symmetry. The types are radial and bilateral symmetry. If I cut an organism, it in any body parts around the mouth parts, it will be cut into different halves. Similar different halves are present there. Here bilateral means 2 similar halves are we must get it. Then next for coelom. Coelom is a fluid filled cavity. There are the 3 types of coelom: acoelomate, pseudocoelomate and eucoelomate. Acoelomate example for the phylum Platyhelminthes, pseudocoelomate example Aschelminthes, eucoelomate example Annelida, phylum Annelida, phylum Arthropoda, phylum Mollusca, phylum Echinodermata, phylum Hemichordata and Chordata. First we are going to see by Coelenterata. Coelenterata have a radial symmetry. The example for radial symmetry is an Hydra. Hydra having a mouth is surrounded by many tentacles. The tentacles having a bearing and stinging cells called nematocysts. Next for phylum Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes example liver fluke. Liver fluke having a hooks or suckers which attach for the host of an other organism. Excretion is taken by a flame cells. Next Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes example for Ascaris. Ascaris, there is a sexes are separate, male and female. The ends of the male and female are pointed. He caused diseases for human beings, Ascaris. Next Annelida. Annelida is a segmented body. Example for annelids, earthworms. Next Arthropoda. Arthropoda means arthropoda. So they are the jointed body animals. The legs are jointed there. Example cockroach, millipede, centipede, scorpion also. Next mollusca. Mollusca is a soft body animals. Example for molluscans, snail. It is covered, the body is covered by a mantle and with a calcareous cell. Then last phylum is an Echinodermata. Echinodermata example starfish. It having the peculiar structure of starfish in a water vascular system. The next phylum is an Hemichordata and Chordata. Now we studied about that invertebrate. Next we are going to study about vertebrate. They are not having that backbone. Now chordates having a backbone with you. Thank you children.